Hi everyone, we are going to go through the last step of scientific method, which is the conclusion. We're going to explain how are we going to write a conclusion. A complete scientific conclusion, including the claim, evidence, and the reasoning. So I'm going to explain one by one, and whenever I need you to take notes, I'm going to tell you please pause and take notes. Okay, what is a claim? A claim is one sentence, a complete sentence to explain the results. So it's a statement about the results. It needs to be very clear, complete, and concise. Like the video we watched today, your claim should be because the question is she a witch? So your claim is she is a witch. So directly answer the question. That's called a claim. Okay, please write this down in your notebook. Okay, for example, if the question is, will it be a snow day tomorrow? And what you're going to do is, how are you going to answer this question? You're going to check the weather forecast, right? To figure out how the weather will look like so you can answer this question. That's kind of like a testing process. And then when you answer this question, when you write a claim, you're going to say, it will be a snow day tomorrow or it will not be a snow day tomorrow. Okay, that's how you answer this question. Okay, just answer it directly, but never use I think or I believe because a scientific conclusion is a fact or it's a truth. It's not like what we think or what we believe. Okay, so just make sure it's a whole sentence. You're either going to say yes or no. Okay. Um, so evidence are the scientific data to support a claim, like why you say it will not be a snow day tomorrow. Okay, it need to be sufficient means it need to be enough to support the claim, and also need to be appropriate means um, it need to be relevant to the claim. Okay, please also write this part in your notebook. Okay, so the evidence for the will it be a snow day tomorrow? The evidence you can write based on the weather forecast, it will be sunny tomorrow. And the highest temperature will be 14 Fahrenheit and the lowest temperature will be 19 Fahrenheit. Okay, here I have two different colors, means I have two evidences. So evidence can be multiple, and I explained where I got this evidence and what it would look like. I got some data in there. Normally, a scientific claim need to include some data. Okay. Reasoning. This is the hardest part to write. Okay. Reasoning is a scientific principle or rule that explains why the evidence supports the claim. Again, please write this down in your notebook. Reasoning is the hardest part for students to write. Okay, it explains why the evidence supports the claim. It's kind of like a bridge between the evidence and the claim. Like why the weather forecasted is sunny and the temperature is like that and it won't be a snow day. Okay, so what you need to do is to figure out the rule. So what we are going to say is to have a snow day in Denver Public Schools districts, there must be at least how much snow accumulation and the temperature need to be lower than certain, 20 Fahrenheit. I just made this up, but it's like a rule, in the school, like why we cannot have a snow day tomorrow. So at the end, you want to go back to your claim. So therefore, it will not be a snow day tomorrow. Okay, that make a complete conclusion, including claim, evidence, and the reasoning. We are going to practice in every unit to make sure that eventually you can write this. Okay. Thank you so much. That's the video for today, and please watch the other two videos in Edpuzzle and answer the questions in there.